Hey guys, welcome back. We are now going to begin Unit 9 and we have some notes to take. Notes are going to be a grade going forward. So here we go. 8.6C. We're going to use models and diagrams to explain the Pythagorean theorem. And this is how it goes. We're going to be working with right triangles, and there are perfect squares on the outside of those triangles. So here is an example. What we're doing is letting you know that the area of the squares or of the square on the hypotenuse, and I'll talk about that in a minute, equals the sum of the areas of the squares on the other two sides. Okay? Here is our example. So we're dealing with right triangles. So I'm going to draw this here. And let's draw here and here. There's your right angle. Directly across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. A, B, and side C. Outside of these sides are perfect squares. So for example, let's draw this out here. And let's draw this out here. And finally this one. It's not perfect, but good enough. Inside these squares are small squares. So for example, inside this square, are 36 little squares because we have 6 on the end. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 6 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we know the area of this square is going to be 36. When we learned in Unit 1, to get the side of a square, you square root the area, and we can see that this side A equals 6. We're going to do the same thing for side B. Draw a line down the middle, and then we're going to put 3 more. Now here, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 small squares. We have the same amount this way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we know the area of this square is 64. We have 64 small squares inside this square. And when we square root the area of this square, we know that side B is going to give us 8. And what this is telling us, that this area of this square plus the area of this square equals the area of square C. So let's just check. Let's see. Draw a line down the middle, and then we're going to have four lines. And on this side, 4. Okay. Not the best drawing, but we understand what we're doing. Okay, now we're going to number these. We know we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we know 10 times 10 is 100, so the area of this square is 100, and the square root of this is 10. So we know the length of side C is 10. So, in short, we know the area of square A equals A times A equals A squared. The area of square B is, of course, B times B equals B squared. And then finally, the area of C is C times C equals C squared. We know C is the hypotenuse. And sides A and B are the legs of the right triangle. Okay, and the equation for the Pythagorean theorem is as such. Is A squared, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And that's what we're doing today. So we know this side squared, 6 squared plus 8 squared gives us 10 squared. That'll do it for today for 8.6C. Thank you for watching.